DJ MTV.
Welcome to DJ MTV Daily News Update, your one-stop channel for everything news and gist happening all over the world. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time this video got to you. And if this is your first time of seeing any of our videos, please don't forget to go a step further, like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you'll be one of the first persons to know whenever we drop a new video. Now let's take you straight up to the main news.
Okorocha is my younger brother, he ought to respect me, says Uzodinma. Hi guys, this is still DJ MTV Daily News Update. Hope Uzodinma, the governor of Imo State, has failed to name the sponsor of those who attack Imo State contrary to a pledge that he made some weeks ago. Mr. Hope Uzodinma at the 2022 Imo Stakeholders Meeting Launch Show acknowledged that he promised a fortnight ago to name the sponsors of the attackers in Imo State, but he however said he would leave the security agency to do their job and prosecute those found guilty at the end. Mr. Hope Uzodinma said many of the persons carrying out attack in the state had been arrested. Hope Uzodinma has said that the Imo West Senator Okorocha is his younger brother and by tradition he is supposed to respect him. Governor Hope Uzodinma made this clear in a video we're about to watch, while noting that he has nothing against Okorocha, who is a former governor of the state. Since assuming office, the relationship between Okorocha and Uzodinma has been frosty. On several occasions, Okorocha has accused Uzodinma of witch hunting his family and hating his family for no just cause. In a short video we're about to watch, we saw Hope Uzodinma saying that Okorocha has left office but he still wants to be in office. Let's watch the video, we'll be right back.
Now you will recall that a few weeks ago, I assured you that my administration will name those behind insecurity in the state during this stakeholders meeting. I want to tell you, after that statement, the whole issue has been politicized. Social media took over the space. Conventional media did not help matters. And I don't want to spoil the good work the security agencies are doing already. I want to crave your indulgence to let us allow the security agencies to finish the investigation, arrest those that are responsible, and charge them to court. Those that the last time I discussed with security agencies, I must single out a special commendation for the security agencies in Imo State. They were attacked, but they rose to the occasion. The progress and successes they have recorded over this period has convinced me as to the competence, capacity, knowledge, and expertise of our security agencies. I have said it times without number. I have no personal grounds with anybody. All of you who know me well in Imo State, I tried one time or the other to contest election. In some cases I won. In some cases I did not win. And when I didn't win, I left back for my businesses. When I won, I served the people with all my heart. I have many former governors in Imo State. I have Governor Ashiku Denwa. I have Governor Ikero Hakim. Former governor. Okorocha, former governor. But none of them wants to take the whole state as a private property. The difference between the other former governors and Okorocha is that he is out of office, but he still wants to be in office. Okorocha is a younger brother to me. I'm older than him. If not anything, traditionally, I deserve to be respected by him. I don't want to join issues with him. Let him just know that he's no longer the governor. And for the short period I will be here, God's willing, he should allow me to answer the governor I am. Not only that I came to serve the people and not to steal from the people. He who is in me is more than who is in them. Because I've not seen government of late that have done any road in Imo State. All we need to do, all we have been doing is rehabilitating and reconstructing roads that were built by our fathers and forefathers. I've never seen any government broke a forest, brought a new road, maybe do a new road now to go from here to Enugu without going corner. We've not done that. It is blamed on the poor economy. But there was a time in this country that we had the money, but we didn't know what to do with the money. So I don't want to be a victim of transferred aggression. I will use your money, your limited resources, prudently, to the best of my knowledge, and do our jobs in a very cost-effective manner that will bring value for money. I established the Ministry of Entrepreneurship and Skill Acquisition. So far, and in collaboration with federal agencies, we have trained over 30,000 youths in different skills. We have also started different enterprises for them. This exercise has cost us a whopping sum of over 8 billion naira. The sharing news is that thousands of our youths have been set up in their self-employment with a potential economic value chain addition that will certainly boost the economy of the state. You are aware of the barrage of security challenges this government has faced since assumption of office. Our first challenge was the politically sponsored protest against the government shortly after we took over. The sponsors did not pretend about their objective, which was to make the state ungovernable. For me, by the grace of God, they failed. Then came the NSAS protests, which rocked the whole nation. As you know, this was followed by orchestrated attacks on police formations and the killing and maiming of policemen and innocent citizens. This later developed into a full-blown assault on the instrumentality of the state institutions, culminating in the attack on the Owerri Correctional Center, which led to the illegal freeing of over 1,830 inmates from custody. Thereafter, the security situation in the state took a nasty turn for the worst. The criminals released from the correctional center infiltrated into the society and began to terrorize our people in different parts of the state. People's heads were chopped off at will and displayed at market squares as if they were ornaments for sale. However, with the cooperation of the security agencies and the support and assistance of the federal government, we have been able to overwhelm the bandits. Today, Imo State is enjoying relative peace to the glory of God. However, while all these were on, little did we know that there was a group of criminals who had advanced criminality to a cannibalistic level. About 3 weeks ago, security agencies stormed their hideout in Osun local government area, where shocking findings were made. The hideouts provided a dumping ground for the corpses of the victims who were murdered in cold blood across different parts of the state. But the most horrifying of the discoveries was that the criminals roasted different body parts of their victims and feasted on them. Put simply, these are not only criminals, but cannibals as well. This is the height of abomination in Igbo land. What a putrid tale to tell of our state.
Welcome back, guys. If this is your first time of seeing any of our video or you're a returning subscriber, do not forget to like, share and comment on all our videos. Also follow us on all our social media platforms. So guys, here we have it. We've seen the governor of Imo State, Uzodinma, coming out to say that Okorocha, who is a former governor of Imo State is his younger brother, and traditionally he is supposed to respect him, that he does not want to join issues with Rocha's Okorocha. But we could recall that Rocha's Okorocha has earlier said that Uzodinma hates his family for not just cause. Now guys, from what Uzodinma has just said and what Rocha's Okorocha said during the time his son-in-law was arrested, what can you make of it? Do you think that there's a rift between these two persons? Do you think that something is going on that Nigerians don't know about? Drop your comment with us in the comment section below.
Welcome back. Thank you so much for staying with us till the end of this video. But before we go, we just want to let you know that we're also on Facebook and on Instagram at DJMTV. Also check out our website at www.djmtv.news. There we drop news 247 non-stop. Do not forget that you could also place your advert with us here on DJMTV News, and be rest assured that your business will get to the desired market. Well, so we'll come your way again with another edition of DJMTV Daily News Update. I remain your host, Laura Favor.
Yeah.
DJMTV. DJMTV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJMTV.
DJMTV. DJMTV. DJMTV. DJMTV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJMTV.